Digitalization is the use of digital technologies to change a business model and provide new revenue and value producing opportunities. It is the process of moving to a digital business. The COVID-19 has accelerated the pace of digitalization across industries, including the pharmaceutical sector, and the industry is now recognizing digital technology adoption and innovation as an essential item to drive growth. Digitalization of control processes play one of the key roles in profitability of the pharma business. Hello and welcome to VARINDIA News Hour. Reduction in the use of raw materials, human resources and time, as well as reduced risk for final products of low quality due to digitally automatized control steps directly increase the profitability. The Indian pharma sector is ranked third largest by volume in the global market and is currently valued at $41.7 billion, and it is forecasted to reach $65 billion by 2024 and $120 billion by 2030. Digital technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, 3D printing and additive manufacturing are helping Indian pharmaceutical companies to step up R&D process, conducting tests in less time, improving efficiencies and compliances in manufacturing and increasing profitability. Technology has helped in delivery of evidence-based healthcare, allowed self-monitoring of chronic conditions, increased compliance to medication and enhanced concordance between patient and pharmacists. Today, pharma is recognized as a well-entrenched sector for our country's economy and is anticipated to grow threefold in the decade. While it is expected to be a $65 billion industry by 2024, digital transformation across the entire value chain was vital for enhanced patient care, greater transparency, cost effectiveness, improved production, and drug development. The growing affordability of exponential technologies such as those that enable artificial intelligence is bringing cost-prohibitive tools to the mass market, reducing production costs and enabling the creation of more individualized products and services. Given the disruptive nature of these technologies, it will prove increasingly important for pharmaceutical manufacturing chains to be operationally agile. Informatic solutions that offer the versatility and scalability to extend capabilities as business needs change will give pharmaceutical manufacturers the best competitive advantage. According to the International Society of Pharmaceutical Engineering, digitalization is an important component of Pharma 4.0, will connect everything, create new levels of transparency and adaptive for a digitized plant floor. This will enable faster decision-making and provide inline and in-time control over the business, operations and quality. It will also require higher levels of security since connected systems heighten vulnerability. Let's look into today's headlines in VARINDIA. DoT releases spectrum leasing guidelines for CNPNs. The Department of Telecom has allowed telcos to lease spectrum to companies to set up captive non-public networks, issuing guidelines to facilitate spectrum leasing for the first time in India to facilitate machine-to-machine communications, mobile edge computing, etc. The guidelines allow private companies to obtain IMT spectrum from one or more telecom service providers with access service license on mutually agreed terms and conditions. Companies will have to obtain online clearance and import certificates from the Standing Advisory Committee on Frequency Allocation. RajeevChandrasekhar describes startups as new normal. Union Minister RajeevChandrasekhar said that startups are the new normal and not just fashion these days that are emerging out of deep structural changes in the Indian economy. He highlighted how India has emerged as the world's third largest startup ecosystem with 100 unicorns and over 75,000 registered startups and termed the youth the real drivers of the Indian economy towards its goal of a $5 trillion economy and beyond. Researchers discover new hacker group targeting India. Research has revealed a new hacker group that has targeted India at least twice to date, as already hacker group Dragon Force Malaysia is keeping up its intrusion of cyber attacks against India. The new hacker group limits itself exclusively to high-value targets in the government and defense sector. The group, dubbed Toddycat, was discovered by Kaspersky researchers and has been classified as an advanced persistent threat due to its relentless and organized malicious activities. Solv raises $40 million led by SBI Holdings. Solv, a B2B digital marketplace for MSMEs, has raised $40 million in its latest round of funding led by marquee investor SBI Holdings, taking Solv's total funding to nearly $80 million. Solv has become India's fastest growing B2B marketplace within 18 plus months of launch, with a 220,000 plus KYC verified micro, small and medium enterprises base and over 10x growth in gross merchandise value with 60% repeats. Solv is targeting $500 million GMV run rate and positive unit economics by December 2022 from the India market alone. Government approves investment proposal for electronics manufacturing. The Electronics and IT Ministry has approved a total of 314 applications with proposed investments of Rs 86,824 crore under a modified special incentive package scheme till May 31st of 2022, including investment of Rs 596 crores from Bosch Automotive Electronics Private Limited. The modified special incentive package scheme was announced by the government in July 2012. It has been amended twice in August 2015 and in January 2017 and mainly provides a capex subsidy of 20 to 25%. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VARINDIA News Magazine. You can download the VARINDIA app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.